Good afternoon, Divergence traders. I just woke up. Yeah, I was trying to burn the midnight oil last night again. Staying up too long, too late, trying to find a fucking trade. And, it caught up with me today. I've been doing that for a few days. So, that's why I'm shooting the video now. It's like 2:35 in the afternoon. Usually I do this at, at 10, at around 10 to 10:30. So anyway, here we are. Here's the NASDAQ. Um, let's check it out. Yeah, right here. See in here? All right, let me put this on here first. Or, yeah, right here. You see this barcode shit in here. It just kept going up and up and wasn't going anywhere. Everybody's getting pissed off and they're losing their mind and their patience. Yeah. After somewhere in here, I don't know where, I just said, the hell with this. I'm going to go back to sleep. I'm going to go to sleep. So that's what I did. And I just woke up now. Oh boy. Please excuse my hoarse voice here, but I just woke up. Okay. So we had, the hell, I put a line there? Oh yeah. I put a line there if it was going to break that line. I don't know. We'll just remove it. And we'll take another new line. And come on. Going up, this one going down, meaning the price is going to go down, right? Well, it went down all right. Really quick. If you did this trade here, if you jumped in near the pivot, you may have caught something out of it. And like I was just saying, it turned into this mess right here, up and down, done on purpose to screw people up. So anyway, then it started, after I went to sleep, it started to come down with small retracements on the way down. So let me show you. It's all hidden divergence to the downside, pretty much. Here's one here. So you draw it like from this here down this way like this. You would have sold in here. And it went down a little bit. And then what did it do? It came back up again, right? So it's another hidden divergence, right? So you draw it from here up to here. And here's this one from here, see? Right down like this. Even though it's overlapping this one, it's still hidden divergence. You would have got short right in here. There, and it only went down a little bit. And then there was another one. That's what I said, it's hidden divergence to the downside all the way down. Sometimes that happens. Okay, it's from here right up to here. Okay. And from here down to here, which was another hidden divergence, sell opportunity right in here. If you sold it, down it went. But this is my time I stopped trading, right? 12 o'clock lunchtime. This different colored square here. Okay. Yeah. However, let me, oh, shit, got a pain in my leg. Um, Let me just show you here, though. We had some really nice setups over here in the UK session, okay? I just thought there was more than this. I was up at that time. Yeah, there's this one right here. Double bottom. And this going up like this. And you would have got long. Right in here, just before 2 o'clock. Okay, and up it went, as you can see. You'd think, is there hidden divergence here? No, because this mountainside is higher than this one, and it has to be the opposite of that for it to be divergent. However, came down, sold off nicely, came back up, came back up. We had a low and a lower low, so you can see I already have it marked, and up it went. Don't do that to me, you little bugger. Let's try this again. There. That would have been your setup there, which is lower lows, divergence. And then we had higher highs. Somewhere down like that. And you would have got short in here and didn't go very far. Then it went back up, which there was hidden divergence. Right in here. Down like that. See all the setups? They just keep coming. They don't end. They just keep coming and coming and coming. Yes, and I can see them all. If you keep studying your charts and you find all these setups, you can see all these setups as well. No problem. Some are easier to see than others. So somewhere in here you would have got long. Didn't go very far, did it? Then down, then up, then down. Yeah. Here's the last one I'll show here. Right here, higher highs. And a lower high on the mountain below. Sell it in here and down it goes. That was before the U.S., the U.S. stock market opened. You can see you see how it's calm, pretty much calm. And then we get this shit, right? Because that's when the stock market opens. And look at this shit in here, this chop. Like I said, this is when I went to sleep here. Went back to sleep. It turned into its usual mess. Aha. So anyway, that's all the setups on there. Let's bring over the MetaTrader 4 chart. Oh, big V reversal here, huh? Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah. So we had a double top here. See, because it's on the 5 minute, not the 2 minute. we only had one of those trades, and well, there wasn't one there. And it just kept going down and down and down. So you would have got short in there, and it went all the way down here. And then it rallied back up, this afternoon. So there's your one trade on the 5 minute. On the 2 minute, I showed you all those hidden divergence setups on the way down. But because we're on a higher time frame, there was only one from the very top. Okay, now the S&P, yeah, basically the same. The same trade up here. Higher highs. Right there. Yeah. And it went down. Okay, I had to pause there for a few minutes. Yeah, this is a nice trade all the way down. There's lots of higher close, sell it, down it goes. There's like a whole bunch of them. Here's another one. So many of them. Here's another one right here. Actually, it's a hook down right there, and it went down as well. Would have gave you a good trade. Isn't it insane how much this little moving average, number 5 EMA, it's below the 7 EMA, which is the pink line. It's below, so it tells you that, hey, it's below. You can't buy. You can only sell. If you sold right there, you made money. If you sold right here, you made money. If you sold right here, you made money. And how about if you sold over here, you made money? And again, right here, if you sold again, if you were brave enough, because this here would be right at the very bottom of the chart when you would be looking at it in real time. So if you sold it here also again, you made money. All the way down, it told you that magical little white dash line that was below the 7. It told you all the way down, don't buy it, don't buy it, don't fucking buy it. Because if you buy it, you're going to lose. This little white line. Yes, you just have to have trust and faith in the moving average. Look at how over here it crossed up. The 5 crossed up over the 7, the purple line. So what did that tell you right there? It told you can only do buy trades now. You can only buy dips, motherfucker. You can only buy dips, man. You can't sell because you're going to lose. Because if you sell, it's going to go higher and you're going to lose. And if you sell again up here, it's going to go higher and you're going to lose. Even if you fucking sell up here, it's going to go higher and you're going to lose. Because you didn't follow this little white dash line all the way up. It told you right away that the only thing you can do right now, if you want to do it, that is, you can only buy. All the way down, it told you can only sell. You have a lot of bull candles on the way down, but it said, don't buy it, don't buy it. It's going to fucking burn your ass. See? And then we changed over here, and now it's bullish. Now it's telling you can only buy now. No more selling. No more selling. No. I'm telling you, man, if people had faith in these 2 lines that I share on this channel for 100%, 0.00 for 0. You save yourself so much losses, so much headache. You just follow the lines. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? You know what I mean, Vern? All right, let's move on. Okay, this is Dow Jones. Oh my God, look at it, look. What's this up here? Holy shit, eh? Let me put a line up there. I'm starting to wake up now, can you tell? I'm fucking telling you. Sell! Only sell! Only selling. See? That's the beauty of this system here that I have in front of you. It's not going to be, 100% bulletproof and always have you on the right side of the trade. No, it's not going to do that all the time. But more often than not, it will save your ass right away, okay? So if you're waiting for this high and then you're waiting for the higher high and it came down, it crashed down below the two moving averages, see? It told you right there. It sang a little song to you. It said, hello, hello. Do you see I just closed down here? This means you can only do sell trades now. And then it came down some more, and you had this bullish candle, and because the line is right in front of your face, right here, and it's below the 7, it told you, you can still only sell, buddy or lady, right? And it was right. And every time, every retracement, all the way down, it told you, you can only sell. You can only look for a little rip up to sell it down. And you can't do anything. Like, say it came down all this way, you don't want to sell down here now, do you? Right? So you know what you do if you don't see a good opportunity, like a little rally on the way down to sell. So what do you do down here if you say there's no way I'm fucking selling down here at the bottom? So you know what you do? You don't do anything. You say, oh, that trade is long gone. It left the train station way up here. I'm not selling it down here. No fucking way, even though it was a winner again. You don't do anything. Like I've said before, I think it was a long, long time ago. I remember telling you guys this, but sometimes not doing a trade is the best trade you could ever do. And my broker, Tim Hannigan, from Chicago, Illinois, he's the one that told me that, but, he's telling this to a fucking gambler. You think I fucking listen to him? No, because I was a gambler, and I still have the gambling spirit in me. That's why I'm a scalper, and I do fucking 5, 10 scalps, little trades. I could do it in fucking like half an hour, 20 minutes, because I got the gambler mindset, and I can't get rid of it. Okay, but I make money because I scalp. I see the profit, I take it. I see the profit, I take it. That's how I make money. I'm not one of these guys or gals that gets in a trade and holds on for dear life and it goes down huge. I wish I could. Every time I try and hold on to a trade, it fucking goes the other way on me. Not mentioning any names, but there's other streams that I watch and they have the same. I already know they have the same kind of gambler mind like me, because they do all the exact same things, all the mistakes that I did before. Because I've been trading so fucking long, for 23 years. I have this gambler in me. Anyway, that's why I scalp. But the one beautiful thing is these magical lines. Oh, do they help you so much, all the way down or all the way up? It helps you not to do the wrong thing at the wrong time. It helps you to do the right thing at the right time. Okay? Okay. Sorry I went on about that. But I'm a fucking gambler. That's why I scalp. And I think most other people too. They're gamblers too. Well, not all of them, but some of them. That's why they scalp. Because if they're a gambler. uh, well, a lot of the reason why people scalp like myself is every time, a lot of the time we try and, get in a trade and hold it, it doesn't work out. It goes the fucking other way. It goes in our favor, gives us some nice profit. We don't take it, and then it turns around, goes the fucking other way. This is why we fear not to hold it, and instead we take the quick profit because we see the profit. But anyway, that was the Dow and the pound. Oh yeah, pound did a big sell-off too. We'll just we'll just look on the 15-minute for this sucker, which was right here. If you did this trade, it was higher highs. And would have got you short right in there. And we went down basically 90 pips on the pound dollar. Great British Pound USD. And on the euro, what did it do? Well, I see this trade right here. Actually, here's one. Hidden divergence, and we got short in there. See this bottoming action here? Right here. And it's still caught in the mess in here, I guess. Could have been here. So euro went up 18 pips. Okay, let's try the pound yen. Oh, look at this, man. That means the pound and the yen was a big fight here to go whatever direction. They're both going in the same direction, and when that happens, this shit happens. So there is a trade. It's like right there, like that. And you wouldn't have got into way over here, and guess what? It went into that shit, sideways shit, and you would have lost. You probably would have lost in there. Yeah. Euro yen, same. Oh, no, the Euro yen didn't have that chop stuff. So you had lower lows there. Something like that. This is Euro yen. It went up 40 pips. Okay, let's look at oil. What did it do? Did it chop around today? Yeah. So we had a high and a higher high, but this mountain needs to be smaller on this side than this one. So there was no divergence to sell up here. However, if you took a chance and sold it once it crossed, well, it went down $1, 100 points. And then look at how quickly they raced it back up in here. Is raced it back up. You ever notice you're in a trend, right? It's coming down, doing its thing, grinding on the way down. And then, a lot of people, so sorry to say, get stuck. Why do they get stuck? Because they kept trying to sell all the way down here, selling here, selling here, selling here. And you ever notice when it stops going down, right at the end of the move, it's like a rapid up move. See that right here? That happens so many times. That's when you know when it's over, when it quickly goes the other way. From this down, 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 lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, down, and then wham, they got you. They do it over and over again, and they fuck so many people on the end of a trend, a little trend, micro trend, and they take it the other way rapidly. And they fuck all the people who, you know, whatever profit you had. Say you had, you know, you sold it up here, whatever profit you had down here, boom, erased in 10 minutes. It's gone. And they do that all the time. They catch us all with our fucking pants down. That's what happens. That's why you don't, if you see on a chart like a trend down, a long trend down, you got to be careful where you're selling. You really need to be selling from way up here when the 5 first cross down below the 7. So then you'll fucking, you know, you're more than likely not to get caught in this rapid retracement of the other way at the end of the trend, if you know what I mean. I'm sure you know what I mean. And I'm sure what I just explained to you has happened to you over and over again. Don't sell low. Sell high. Buy low, sell high. Okay, guys? Not at the tops or the bottoms, but near the top and near the bottom. Okay, there's no divergence up here to sell it. There's no divergence down here to buy it. There's no trade here. That was the oil. Yesterday it did a beautiful trade, not today. And then we had gold. What did it do? Oh, it had one beautiful setup. So it had one in the UK too, right here. Low and lower low. Come on, you little bugger. Right there. And right there. And it would have got long in here somewhere. And it would have chopped you up. Yeah, no, not funny. And it did go up 200 points if you could hold it through all of this. But when you bought it right in here, okay, see where my little arrow is? When you bought it there, your stop is always at where? The swing low. Why do we put it at the swing low? Because dynamically, the market's always moving. That is the 100% correct place to put your stop loss. And guess what? Did it come back here? Yeah. Did it come back to get your stop down here? Nope. No, it did not. That's why you need to put your stop near the swing low in a buy trade and near the swing high in a sell trade. Okay? Oh, I got a line on there. Pretty boring when I don't talk, eh? Oh, shit. So anyway, we got higher highs and a lower high on the OSMA. Sell right here, and down it goes all the way down. 188 ticks on gold. That was a beautiful trade. Yeah. All the way down. Okay. So that's it for the markets that move. You know, the three indices, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and pound yen, euro yen, and oil and gold. Those are the fast-moving markets that most people trade. Okay, okay. And then we had Bitcoin. Oh my God. It's already been to $90. $90 per Bitcoin. I can't believe how much it's bolted up. It's just, it's utterly amazing. I think it has something to do with Don. Everything Don's saying what he's gonna do, and it's a lot. Holy shit, it's a lot. That's all I can say about that. And that's what's caused this major rally up. And XRP, it also, went up even more. Finally, it's going up. Yes. Oh, fuck, things are falling off my desk. I'm getting excited here. Yeah. 71 cents. Here we go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Yes. Okay, sorry, I got a little excited there. The last time I looked, it was somewhere in the middle of this big fucking boner candle. Yeah. Come on, man. Let's go to $100 fucking dollars. Let's go. After 7 fucking years. Okay, so anyway, this is XRP, and it's trying to really rally up. I wonder if it'll take out these highs. I'm thinking it will. This high this high for earlier this year. This was last year. It needs to go way higher than this. The all-time high is $3.30 or something, which happened back in 2017. And that's when I got all excited and bought some XRP. Anyway, see, there it goes again. It's trying to keep going higher. So anyway, oh no, I got to show you the other ones. Okay, silver. Oh, come back down. And Ethereum must be way up there. Oh, see, it rallied up to here, but there's a little bit of profit taking here. It's coming back down. What about the yen? Oh, yen is looking to push higher. Remember I told you somewhere down here in this big boner candle, I told you it's probably going to go back up here. Okay. So that is it for today for the show. I want to thank you for driving all the way out here and watching and listening to the show. It was a good show. It was a good. I got a little excited at the end here. What can I say? If you were holding on to a trade for 7 long fucking years, you would be a little bit excited too. So anyway, if you keep trading this afternoon, it's 3:10 now in the afternoon. Be careful, okay? All right. So we'll see you tomorrow. Sorry I was late today, but I had to go to sleep. I feel better now. I'm waking up. So anyway, good luck and good trading.